Is there any sort of a change on the cards in political status? Because Sharad Pawar, who's the NCP Supremo, has praised the RSS at a key NCP meeting. Sharad Pawar's camp basically had said, praising the RSS only, not adopting the ideology. Sharad Pawar camp basically held a meeting to review what happened as a loss in Maharashtra elections. And Sharad Pawar, and remember who's an experienced veteran politician, has seen many governments come and go, is giving credit to the Bharatiya Janata Party victory to the RSS. What made possibly Sharad Pawar or his camp believe that it was the RSS support and help that led to victory in Maharashtra?
कहीं ना कहीं विचारधारा भिन्न होने के बावजूद अपने जो ओपोनेंट्स है वो किस तरह से काम करते हैं, उनकी कार्यपद्धति कैसी है, वो हमें सीखनी चाहिए। आरएसएस के बारे में बहुत सारी बातें।
कुल देखो, ऐसा है, हमारी जो खामियां हैं, हमारी जो कमियां हैं, वो सामने से हमें दिख रही कि उनकी देखो कितनी मजबूत है, हम इसमें कम है, तो सीखो। उसमें क्या गलत है? उनकी विचारधारा को अपनाने को नहीं बोला है, पर वो विचारधारा लेके जो विचारधारा जिंदगी में भारत की विचारधारा नहीं हो सकती है, जिस विचारधारा के कारण गांधी जी की हत्या हुई, वो कभी भी इस देश की विचारधारा नहीं हो सकती, लेकिन वो लेके चल रहे हैं ना।
So from the NCP leader Jitendra Rawat, Ritwik Bhalekar got us that reaction. He's joining me right now. Ritwik, good morning. It's clear that the RSS does have a very strong cadre base, and especially in the state of Maharashtra. So, but what do you think is the reason that a praise coming in from Sharad Pawar was about it?
Good morning, Pooja. So in 2 days party meeting held in Mumbai, Sharad Pawar in his concluding speech, in a very surprising move, he praised RSS for its meticulous work during the recently held assembly polls, and he attributed the BJP's landslide victory in the recent polls to the working methodology and aggressive Hindutva campaign which was held by RSS workers. As well as he was also saying that after Lok Sabha polls in country, the victory which was gained by MVA in Maharashtra, the workers, the party workers of NCP and Mahavikas Aghadi were a bit complacent, and they were satisfied. They were too satisfied after the winning Lok Sabha polls, while opponents of BJP or say Mahayuti workers work tirelessly to announce popular schemes and take stern decisions. Also, Hindutva unity and RSS meticulous work and their selfless work in every
so I would say,
Ritwik,
that NCP is doing a fair share of introspection, and it is important because that introspection and what went wrong, especially after the Lok Sabha performance, that perhaps could actually bring the NCP back rather than just try and attack the BJP consistently. Thank you very much for now. We'll be tracking what happens in Maharashtra elections, and is there more to that statement?